Hello, in this video I will show you how you can use magnification on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here navigate to accessibility and convenience. Now go to accessibility and open vision section. Now you are able to find magnification over here, so open it, and now you have to turn on shortcut over here. And from now you are able to select between accessibility button, volume keys, and also triple tap screen. So I will show you on the accessibility button how it looks like. Click OK, and now as you can see I have this accessibility button over here. So tap on it, and now I am in the accessibility mode. So if you want to zoom in, you just simply have to pinch the fingers and do it like that. As you can see, this gesture is zooming, and now if you want to change the place of the zooming, you have to use two fingers like that. And also, if you want to zoom out, you have to make this gesture, just pinch out. Also, here you can find magnification settings by using this button over here. And now you are able to select magnifier size. You can take like this, for example, and now as you can see I have this small area for the magnification, and also I can adjust the size from here. Also there is some other features like let me show you how it looks like zoom. And if you don't want to use this gesture with your fingers, you can simply zoom in and zoom out by using this slider. So basically you can do it from here and like that. Also you can read this manual over here. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.